So in this video, I'll show you how to use AI for content creation, whether that is for yourself or for your business. So instead of staring at a blank page, you'll see how to brainstorm ideas, outline them, and create a polished draft in just a couple of clicks. So let's start off by logging in to ChatGPT. So in ChatGPT, we want to start off by brainstorming ideas. So here I will say, give me 10 engaging post ideas for my business prompt labs on LinkedIn. So I'm giving it both my business and then also where I want to post that to. I also want to make the post. So I say keep them engaging and scroll stopping because I want people to stop when they see my post. So here we can see 10 scroll stopping post ideas for prompt labs. So it says the myth busting post, before and after showcase, one question poll, what we learned this week mini thread. 3 surprising lessons or takeaways from experimenting with prompts and AI tools. I like that one. So I will make that. So I'll copy and paste that in. And then, like I said, we want to go from the ideas into our outline. So here I will say create a simple outline for a LinkedIn post about why learning this and about the topic above. The format, I want to keep the format, so I want to start off with a headline. From the headline, I want 3 bullet points, and from the 3 bullet points, I want the closing. So here you can see AI will generate, or ChatGPT will generate us a very quick outline on the post idea that we chose. However, this is not good enough or long enough, so let's expand on it and create a more polished version. So from here, we will expand this outline into a LinkedIn post. LinkedIn post. Keep this professional but conversational and under 150 words. There we go. We want to keep it under 150 words just so we can keep it engaging. And there, just like that, in a couple of seconds, minutes, really, you have created from a blank page, you've basically gone to 80% complete of your post. However, you always want to polish this up and kind of make it seem like your own. So you're going to copy paste, you're going to go into, as you can see, I've already tried it before, but you'll go into a Google Docs and you'll say 3 surprising things we learned this week experimenting with AI prompts. So it says every week at Prompt Labs we push AI tools to their limits and takeaways often surprise us. So here I don't really want that, I don't want the break in it, so I just want it to be free flowing. So every week at Prompt Labs we push AI tools to their limits and the takeaways often surprise us. So I like the way this is laid out so far. However, towards the end, I would always like to put a little something in there as well. I was a beginner too. Just add an encouraging little thing at the end just to, make it a bit easier and a bit more relatable to the people and make your own personal touch as well. So that's AI content creation in action. You brainstormed an idea, outlined, and then you were able to draft and polish a LinkedIn post in just a couple of minutes. You can create posts that used to take hours. If you want deeper workflows, ready-made prompts, libraries, and step-by-step checklists, check out the next course, Essential AI